Good afternoon, manufacturing all-stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, you're going to learn about an industrial automation app called FactoryTalk TeamONE. We're coming at you live from Cleveland, Ohio, where I am joined by Paul Haikal, our product manager for FactoryTalk TeamONE. Cheers, Paul.
Cheers, Chris.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Now, as we get into this topic, let's start off with a very basic question for someone that might not be familiar with it. What is FactoryTalk TeamONE?
FactoryTalk TeamONE is a mobile app designed for the industrial environment.
Okay.
It is designed to help you better visualize and troubleshoot your system.
Well, let's go into that a bit further. What does it mean when it's designed for like that industrial automation environment?
It means it's designed to know how to navigate industrial networks to get to end devices. So for example, we are able to talk directly to a Logix-based controller or a PowerFlex drive without requiring a data server in between.
Oh, okay. All right.
A direct impact on cost.
I was going to say, yeah, I'm already hearing some potential cost savings from this already.
Absolutely.
But beyond the cost savings, I guess my big question would be, how does this help you better troubleshoot a system?
So if I were to draw from my many years of experience troubleshooting systems over the phone.
Right, yep, you were in tech support for quite a while, cutting your teeth there.
Yeah, very short, 10 years in tech support. What I can tell you is effective troubleshooting and quick resolution are obtained when you combine the right data with the right engineer. So providing the right engineer with the wrong data, that is not going to get you to a resolution. Providing the wrong engineer with the right data, that's pure definition of monkeying around with the system.
Sure.
So FactoryTalk TeamONE understands that the expert cannot always be standing right by the problem area. And it allows someone else who might be a little bit less experienced to get the data required from that industrial equipment and then collaborate with someone via 4G or any kind of cloud connectivity with someone who might be remote on the other side of the plant or maybe on the other side of the world to get to a quick resolution for that problem.
So just to make sure that I'm hearing this right, when we're talking like right data, right engineer, let's say I'm a new engineer and I'm out on the plant floor and I'm by a piece of equipment, I've got my phone on me, but the equipment's down and I don't necessarily know what to do. So I can go into this app and I can communicate with an engineer, like you said, somewhere else in the plant, maybe not even in the plant itself, and figure out what I need to do to troubleshoot that situation. Is that correct?
Absolutely, 100% correct. And let's add to it loud environments where you cannot do this or send that information verbally. It'll have to be in the form of text or a picture of a trend or a capture of a tag value and so forth.
Oh, for sure. And you're preaching to the choir a little bit here, because my first manufacturing job was inside of an aluminum can plant where you can barely hear the person standing right next to you when you're pounding away at that equipment.
Absolutely.
So definitely understand the value there. As a call to action for those of you that are watching, this is actually the first part in a mini-series that we're doing around FactoryTalk TeamONE and FactoryTalk Analytics. So when the next video is out, you'll be able to find a link to it on YouTube right here. In the meantime, Paul, thanks so much for being on the show.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And for those of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you back here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.